Hi there, students. Desideratum, a singular noun. Desiderata, ending in A, the plural. That tells you how close it is to Latin. Okay, so a desideratum is something that you would like to have, something that you consider desirable, particularly something that is you consider to be essential. Yeah? So I think when you say you write a wants list, okay, this is a list of desiderata. So what are the desiderata for the West in this war between Russia and the Ukraine? Well, I think the desiderata would be not to set off a nuclear war, for the Russians to stop fighting, and for the Russians to withdraw. Those, I think, would be the main desiderata. Okay, the things that would be desired. I was thinking of the example, before you go shopping, you write a list of desiderata. The problem is with that example, my word desiderata is much too formal for writing a shopping list. So I think in formality I'm going to give this a 7.5 or an 8 in formality, something like that. Okay, so something that is desirable. Yeah, well, but here, your shopping list, the list of things you want. So if you want to work out what you're going to do with the rest of your life, writing down the desiderata would be a very good idea. Yeah, the things that you consider desirable, the things that you consider necessary, the things that you lack. Yeah, your essentials, your essential requirements. I don't know, for many families with kids, the desideratum is, or a major desideratum, is that their children go to a good university, that they get a good education. Yeah, this is one of their desiderata. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this project is running into problems. Let's write a list of the desiderata that would help it to go better. Yeah. For a company, I think the first desideratum is making profits. Then maybe the desiderata of improving efficiency and something like that. Yeah. Okay. What are the desiderata in a person's character? Maybe honesty, reality, justice. Yeah. Why don't you comment on the things that you think are the desiderata within a person's character? Yeah, it's something that's needed. The requirements. Yeah, sine qua non. Yeah, without which things don't work. Okay, now this brings me to the poem Desiderata by Max Ehrmann from 1927. Yeah. I think I'm going to read it, but I think I'm going to make a separate video of it. It talks about the desired things in life, the things that are going to make you happy in life. Okay, so as I said, formality, I think I'd probably give it a 7.5, maybe. Yeah, maybe an 8. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Use it semi-formal or formal writing only. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, desideratum, something that is desired. Yeah. Okay, and then desiderata, the A, makes it plural, yeah, in Latin as well. Okay, so desiderata, the things that you need, the things that you desire, the wants list, but particularly things that you really need that are really essential. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Desideratum, desiderata.